Going to the Peak Tram. Yung entrance ng Peak Tram.
Haba. Mama. Saan punta?
Peak Tram. Kami sa Victoria Peak. Buti na lang may iba pa rin. Nakakapagod kasi uphill. Choo-choo! We're about to ride the Peak Tram going up to Victoria Peak. Nung bata pa ako, hindi ganito. Ibang-iba. Parang nag-bus lang kami, tapos binaba kami, din sumakay ng tram, din pumanik na, ganun. Ngayon iba, ibang-iba. Pero ang tram, it looks the same as it was nung bata pa ako. Yan, the green tram. Choo-choo! This is one of the famous tourist attraction here in Hong Kong. Oh, ganito din. Akyat na tayo. Sakay ng Peak Tram. Yun, doon tayo galing. Doon tayo nagkumain ng dim sum. Authentic dim sum. Ay, parang ito yung old na ano, na trams. Ayun, yun yung old. Wow! Pero yung ruta niya, it's the same. Ganito din.
Sarap dito magpapayat na.
I think dito sa right, puro mga residential. Kasi may mga stairs, tapos may mga taong naglalakad. So, may mga nakatira dito left and right. And we are also near some universities and colleges. Kasi kanina, kung saan kami kumain ng dim sum, maraming mga estudyante. So, we are now here in May Road. Yan, incline na tayo. Ang nangyari? Oh. Wow. And Jacob, naka-incline na tayo. Yan, 180 degrees na. Woohoo! Taas, no? Maganda dito sunset daw, pero maganda dito sunset view. Oo, Barker Road na to. So, may option din dito before na pagbaba mo, you can ride the bus going down. Ewan ko kung meron pa rin. Yan. So, puro residential units. Tataas ng mga buildings. Ito may red house na siguro to accommodation place. Ito na! We're here! Dito tayo sa Peak Express. Wow! I think we're about to disembark and explore the beauty of this place. So this is the peak terminus, end of the journey. Bababa na po kami. See you in a bit. Bye-bye! We are here in Maylock Experience Studio, where we get to experience old Hong Kong. Weighing machine. Ayoko dyan. Ito mga cassette tapes, cassette recorder, mga luma, no, Gino? Vintage. Siguro mga ano nila, mga herbs, skeleton, electric fan, different types of chess, yan, luggages, and typewriter. Nakagamit pa ako niyan, typewriter, and old clocks. Ganito yung telephone namin dati. Electric fan, mga vintage na. Wow. You get to see ito mga tansan, mga picha. Yan. Ito mga bunot-bunot noon nung bata kami. Yan. Yung mga sigarilyo. Yung mga soft drink crates. Etong classic na bunot. Naabutan ko pa yan pag piyesta sa Cavite. Ito, mahjong table. Ayan. Para kang nasa loob ng old house sa China. Ito, living room, dining. Lumang TV. Dati ganyan ang TV namin sa bahay. Ito yung mga matches. Si Jackie Chan. Wow. Oh, kunwari ito, barber shop. Ito, yung mga lumang pictures ng mga store. Hudson Store. Ayan, yung mga, siguro galing dito yung mga ibang naka-display dito. And that's, ito, lumang freezer. The Victoria Harbor. Dragons. And mga old toys. Ito, post office. Old arcade toys. Old arcade toys. This is, siguro to upuan sa cinema. And malaking coin bank, piggy bank. Mga luma talaga, oh. Vintage. And you get to appreciate this view of the Victoria Harbor. Happy New Year!
You too. Welcome.
These are old plates, model. What year? 1980s?
I think some of the 60.
60s?
Yeah,
Wow!
This is the 60. And then some is 70. Yeah, right?
Different
Yeah,
era.
right. Yeah, different movie star.
Different movie star.
This is 80. Yeah, right. This is 80, right? 90.
I think this is 60s.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you see the
Yeah.
hairstyle, right?
Very nice. You preserved it. Very nice. Different claw machines. This is a chocolate shop. Cute. These are handcrafted chocolates with different flavors. Oh. This is a Grab pick and mix where you select your choice of candies and titimbangin siya. So, $38 per 100 grams. And these are different kinds of candies. Dami. Ooh. Gummies and different kinds of biscuits, lollipop, hubba bubba, bubble gums, different kinds of lollies. Using Moment Selfie Studio, this is a free entry.
Don't have on the left side is the entrance. This
Oh.
left side is about the studio, as you can see. There are so many photo booths out there.
Ah, okay. Thank you very much.
Also, this survey for photo service, you may have to try it and see the picture and see, to decide if you want to buy it or not. Yeah. If you don't buy, it's also no problem.
You try?
There's more booths to come. You may take your own picture.
Yeah. Tom Barber Shop ng Hong Kong. Yan, may libreng ano pa, may libreng blow dry. Oh, masamasahe konti, masamasahe dapat. Yan, yan. Massage. Yan. Yan, ayos.
Are you from messages?
Yan. Ito yung mga ginugupitan dati. Yan. Itong parlor nila dati. Tapos, ako yung nag-aantay para gupitan. Papakalbo na ako.
Anong gusto mo, te? Kulay?
Kulay, pink, pwede.
Pink? Sa mo pink?
Oo, pink.
Mas bagay sa'yo, ano?
Ano?
Purple.
Purple.
Yeah, purple.
Eh! We're about to go up the second floor.
Ay na. Huwag ka, oh yan, okay na yan. Hagis mo, Kobe. Ito pala yun. Tagdil lang mga video. Ito yung eksena na Joy.
Kayo naman.
Like something to eat? Jacob, I think Burger King. Wow! Dito walang tao. Sa taas ang dami. Wow! Hi Jacob! Nag-enjoy ka ba? Ha? Salita ka?
Opo.
Ano yung na-enjoy mo dito sa Hong Kong so far?
View.
View, pagkain.
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Mga pasyalan.
Okay naman din.
Weather, no? Lamig, no? Kung babalik ka dito sa Hong Kong, anong gusto mong balikan?
Yung Sky Terrace. Tsaka siya.
Siya, wala naman siya eh. Ganda, no? Ang ganda ng view, no? Dito sa Victoria Peak. Yeah, thank you tayo kay Lord for giving us the opportunity na makapasyal as a family. And happy 2025 to everybody. And may this year bring us more bountiful blessings. Happy New Year, everyone! Pa-exit na kami. Pabalik na kami ulit ng tram. And this is the Peak Tower. And parang courtyard. That's the old tram. Green tram. This is the Peak Galleria. We enjoyed our stay here at the Peak Tower. Thank you very much, Peak Tower. Until we meet again. Peak Terrace. Bye-bye. Kunan mo ko. Wow! We are inside the Shangri-La, Hong Kong. May parang ano dyan, no? Christmas decor pa rin. Ang motif niya ay, ano bang tawag dyan sa anong yan? Yung ganyang bahay?
Ano yung sa Harry Potter?
Ganda, no?